Understanding Riveting Experience. Enhance your English vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, focusing on a very interesting one, riveting experience. If you've ever wondered what it means and how you can use it to spice up your English conversations, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. The phrase, riveting experience, is used to describe an event, situation, or activity that is incredibly interesting, exciting, or engaging to the point where it completely captures your attention. The word, riveting, itself suggests that something is so fascinating or compelling that it holds you in place. Metaphorically speaking, like a rivet holds two pieces of metal together. When you say an experience was riveting, you're essentially saying it was impossible to ignore or look away from. To better understand how to use riveting experience in conversation, let's look at a few examples. Watching a total solar eclipse for the first time can be a riveting experience, leaving you in awe of the cosmos. Listening to a master storyteller weave a tale can turn into a riveting experience, where every word pulls you deeper into the story. For thrill seekers, bungee jumping off a high bridge provides a riveting experience, filled with adrenaline and excitement. Incorporating riveting experience into your vocabulary is a great way to express your feelings about memorable events. Here's how you can do it. 1. When sharing personal stories or recounting events that were particularly engaging or exciting. 2. In descriptive writing, to convey the intensity of an experience or the grip it had on your attention. 3. While recommending movies, books, or places to visit to others, highlighting their potential to offer a captivating experience. Expanding your vocabulary further, here are some synonyms for riveting experience that you can also use. Enthralling experience, captivating experience, fascinating experience, mesmerizing experience. Each of these phrases carries a slightly different nuance, but they all serve to express the idea of an exceptionally engaging and interesting experience. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a riveting experience is and how you can use this phrase to enrich your English conversations. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its ability to precisely capture and convey our thoughts, feelings, and experiences. So, don't shy away from exploring and using new phrases like this one. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content designed to help you navigate the wonderful world of English. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.